A 100 Newton force is acting on the 4 kg block towards right. What is the tension in the string? What is the acceleration of the blocks? Let us try to solve this basic mechanics problem. Here we have a 4 kg block and a 1 kg block. Both are connected by a string. Now if I apply force on this 4 kg block in the rightward direction, the 4 kg block will start moving, and along with it, it will also drag the 1 kg block because of the string. This is possible because of the string. So if I pull this 4 kg block like this along rightward direction, the string will become tight, and because of this tension applied by the string, the 1 kg block will also start moving forward. Let us see how this tension acts. The string will pull the 4 kg block backward, and the same string will pull the 1 kg block forward. So a tension force will act on this 4 kg block in the leftward direction, and the same tension will act on this 1 kg block in the rightward direction. So let us look into a problem. In this problem, a 100 Newton force is acting on this 4 kg block in the rightward direction. Now we need to find out the tension in the string and also the accelerations of these blocks. So on this 4 kg block, we have a 100 Newton force acting in the rightward direction. Now the string will become tight, because of which there will be a tension acting in the backward direction, that is leftward direction. Now the same tension T will be acting on this 1 kg block in the rightward direction, because of which it will move along with the 4 kg block. Now let us assume, because of our force, it is moving with an acceleration A. Now the 1 kg block will also move with the same acceleration A, because the string cannot be stretched. If it is moving with an acceleration A, the 1 kg block cannot move with lesser acceleration, because the string will make sure that both the blocks are moving together. So we are saying both the blocks have same acceleration A. Okay, now we need to apply our Newton's laws on these blocks. So our Newton's second law is force is mass into acceleration. Now let us apply this law for our 4 kg block. So what is the force on this block? We have a 100 Newton force in the rightward direction and tension in the backward direction. So the net force will be 100 minus T in the rightward direction. So that is force, that is equal to, what is the mass of this block? 4 kg into what is the acceleration? A. Now let us consider this block. We will apply the same Newton's law on this block as well. So this block has only tension force acting in the rightward direction. So net force will be only T. So that is equal to mass of the block, that is 1 kg into same acceleration A. So both will have same accelerations. Now this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Using these two equations, we need to find out our unknowns, that is acceleration A and also tension T. Okay, tension T and acceleration A. So how do we solve these two equations? We'll just simply add them. Okay, 1 plus 2. So we'll have the tension getting cancelled out. So we'll have 100 minus T plus T equal to 4A plus A. So that means 100 equal to 5A. So we get A equal to 20. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Okay, so we have 20 meters per second square as the acceleration of both the blocks. Now we also need to find T. So from this equation we can find out T. So we got T equal to 1 into A. So that is 20 newtons. Tension is a force, so we are writing the unit in newtons. So this is how we solve this problem. Let us also look at another case. What will happen if a force is acting on this 4 kg block in the leftward direction. So we know if I apply force on this 4 kg block in the leftward direction, the string will become loose and only this 4 kg block will be moving. The 1 kg block will not move and the tension in the string will be 0. So only if I apply the force on this 4 kg block in the rightward direction, both the blocks will move together. If I change the direction and make it leftward, only the 4 kg block will move.